Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I am going to be organizing under my kitchen sink, and I am so excited that I am finally going to tackle this spot because it has just been a mess for way too long. So this is how it is currently looking, and as you can see, it is just very disorganized, and I feel like it is such a pain every time I want to reach in here and grab something. I have to hunt for it, and I'm just tired of seeing this a mess. I'm tired of opening the door and just seeing everything so disorganized, so let's get started organizing this.
A few moments later.
Winnie, of course, had to come over and check everything out. She is so funny. Every time I'm filming or doing something, she always has to check it out and see what I'm doing. And also, this rug right here is new. So every chance the dogs get, they are laying on the rug. I found this rug at Homegoods. I think that this is so pretty. I just thought that this one was perfect for spring.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick now.
Alright guys, now that the cabinet is all cleaned out, I am getting ready to vacuum out the cabinet with my trusty Dyson. Madison is so funny. She just came and dropped her unicorn in front of me. She loves this toy so much. So I'm getting ready to vacuum it out, and then I am going to give it a good wipe down before we start organizing. Do you want to show them your toy? This is Madison's unicorn toy, if I can show you, because she wants to rip it out of my hands. She loves this thing so much. She plays with it all day long. She is so cute, you guys. I cannot believe how much she loves this toy. I think this was $6 or $7. I bought this at Burlington, and it is definitely worth the money because it just makes her so happy. She's constantly playing with it and cuddling her unicorn.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere we think about me too.
To wipe the cabinet down, I am using some of my Mrs. Meyer's multi-service cleaner in the rose scent. This is one of my favorite scents for spring.
Wonder where you lie now. Wonder where you lie. Wouldn't know my name. Wouldn't know it ended. You feel the same. Wonder where you lie.
So this is everything that I took out of the cabinet. I have quite a bit here, so I'm getting ready to start organizing all of this. Like I said, I am just really excited to organize because I have been meaning to organize this cabinet for the longest time. Also, look who is over here laying on the rug again, you guys. They are so hilarious. All right, guys, next I am going to show you guys the organizers that I am going to be using under the kitchen sink. All right, guys, under the kitchen sink is all cleaned out and we are ready to start organizing. But before I start organizing, I wanted to show you which organizers I am going to be using. Starting out with these acrylic drawers, I think that these are so gorgeous. I bought these on Amazon. I will put a picture on the screen so you can see the exact ones that I purchased because I do think these come in 2 different sizes. I did buy the smaller size and these come in sets of 2. So I ended up getting 3 sets. Also, you guys, look how cute this box is that I received from Amazon. This is honestly the cutest box I have ever received from Amazon. I am someone who loves Halloween, so this really reminded me of just a Halloween-y themed box. So when I saw this sitting on my porch, I was very excited. In a few minutes when I show you my other organization items, I will open this up and show you what is inside. I ordered some of my favorite kitchen sponges. Next, moving on to Target, I picked up a couple of different organizers because I wanted to be able to have a couple of different options. I didn't want to just grab one thing and it didn't end up working and then I'd have to go back to Target. So Bill and I kind of walked around Target and looked for a few things. And I did take measurements under my kitchen sink just so I knew what would and wouldn't work. I definitely recommend doing that. So the first bin I picked up is this one right here. I think that this one is so gorgeous. I love the white with the wood handles. I always love white and woods mixed together. I just think they look very nice. And this is by the brand Brightroom. I actually think all of these organizers that I bought from Target are by the brand Brightroom. And then I knew if I was going to use this basket, I would want this one to have a little bit of height because the acrylic drawers from Amazon are so tall and I didn't want it looking really odd. So I knew I would want it to have a little bit of height. So I grabbed this stand right here. This was actually in the kitchen section. And this again is by the brand Brightroom. And this basket basically fits on here perfectly. Next is this two-tiered stand. Bill and I were walking around Target and he actually spotted this one. So we were in the bathroom organization section and he spotted this on an end cap. I think they had these in 3 different colors. They had black, white, and silver. This one is really nice because it has a drawer that pulls out on the bottom and then it also has a stopper on it so it won't let you pull it out too far so everything can fall out. The basket on the top is also nice because this pulls right off here. So if you wanted to take this out with cleaning supplies and bring it somewhere, or if you needed to clean it, I think that is perfect. And then here are the sponges that were in the Hotel Transylvania box. I actually ended up getting 3 packs of these because it was a way better deal than buying one. I used to be able to buy these locally and I haven't been able to find them for the longest time. So the only place I have been able to find these is on Amazon. I think that these sponges are so pretty, you guys. And I don't know about you, but I love buying pretty cleaning products and good smelling cleaners. It just makes me so much happier when I am cleaning. I also picked up some pink microfiber cleaning cloths the other day. I have never seen pink ones. So when I saw these, I was very excited. I found these at Burlington. These were only $5. You get 10 of them. All right, guys, now it is time to start organizing under my kitchen sink. So let's go. Next, moving on to the fun part, filling up all of the drawers with my cleaning supplies.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do?
All right, guys, here is what the drawers look like all filled up. I think that these look so good. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some good organization. So very excited to put these back in my cabinet. It is just going to be so nice to open up the door and everything isn't going to be a cluttered mess. I'll be able to find everything. Next, moving on to the tiered stand, I'm going to start out by filling this bottom drawer up with some of my cleaners and dish soaps. One thing I love about this bottom drawer is that you can't accidentally pull this out. I love that it has a stopper because I've had drawers like these before and so many times I would just accidentally pull it out too far and then everything would go flying out of the drawer. So I think that is a very nice feature.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world
hoping that this method cleaner is going to fit in the back. This one is almost gone. I think I actually have another bottle of this under my bathroom sink, so I'm going to go grab that one and I'll probably just pour this one in that. Hopefully this is going to fit in here. Oh, it looks like it just fits. Okay, so that is perfect. I have all of my cleaners in here. I do have a couple of extra dish soaps over here, but I have 4 in this drawer, so I don't think that I need these other dish soaps. I'll probably put these somewhere and just have them for when I need some. Next, moving on to the top. Up here, I am going to be putting some of my sponges. These are some of my favorite ones right here. These are from Target. These are by the brand Brightbox. I love these so much. These work so good and they are so pretty. So these come in a pack of 4 and you get a blue, a green, a purple, and a pink. So I normally use the purple and the pink ones in the kitchen, and then I like to use the blue and the green ones in the bathroom.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Here's how it looks all filled up, and let me just tell you guys, I am so in love with this stand. I am so happy that Bill spotted this one. I love how it holds a ton of products, and it also just looks so pretty. Like I said, I love my pretty and good smelling cleaning supplies because it just makes cleaning that much more enjoyable for me. I do have a few things that I still need to find a home for. My little Scrub Mommy sponge, and then my dish scrubber. I need to figure out where I'm going to put these. And then some of this other stuff I need to put in a bin. I think I'm gonna see if I have room at the back of the cabinet because I have some grout renew and some stuff for our stove that I don't reach for that often. I have some extra sponges here. So I'm going to try to find a bin that will hopefully fit at the back so I can have all of this stuff, because I feel like if I put it somewhere else, especially the grout renew and the stuff for the stove, then I will never be able to find it. So I like to keep that stored under the kitchen sink. I did find a bin to put at the back of the cabinet, so I'm going to be using this one right here. This one I bought from Walmart. This one came in a set of 2. This is by the Home Edit. Really love these. So in here, I am just going to, like I said, put some of my grout renew and then some of the stuff we bought to polish up the grates on the stove. Just stuff that I'm not reaching for super often. An extra dish soap. I have some extra sponges here, so just toss these in, and then some of these scrubbers right here. And I think that is just going to be perfect. And then, like I said, if I need them, I can just reach in towards the back and they'll be right there.
1 eternity later.
All right, guys, 1 eternity later, and I am finally ready to start filling my cabinet back up.
To be fun, you used to care, darling. We built a home, a life, but now all of that is gone. I fear, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around.
Here is how everything looks back in the cabinet. I think that it looks so perfect. As you can see, everything fit in here perfectly. I had just enough space. I love this so much. So lastly, I decided I wanted to put something on top of the drawers. I wanted something to put my dish scrubber and a couple other sponges that I normally like to use. So I decided to put one of these acrylic divided trays right here. This is just an old one that I had from forever ago, so I am just going to put that right on top. And then I am just putting my dish scrubber in here. my Scrub Mommy sponge. I love these so much. And then some of these sponges right here. These also work really good. I buy these at Dollar Tree. All right, guys, here is how everything looks. I think that this came out so perfect. Everything fit in here just right. Like I said, if you are trying to organize your cabinet, definitely take measurements when you are out shopping for organization items so you have an idea of what will work in your space. So that is going to be it for this video. I have a bunch more organization videos coming up, so definitely stay tuned for those. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my next video.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with